Okay, welcome back. Thank you for sticking with me. So, now that you decided to get on this highway and take this journey with me, let us get started. Our very first marker is the question. And the question is, why do you think you are aware of this issue right now? Now, what do I mean by that? So, you decided that you were going to take the road to manifested excellence. As you went through the book, you found various different practices, some in the realm of your environment, some with meditation, with breathing, with resting, replenishing, maybe creating the gamut, right? And so, I told you in the book that you can't do everything at once. Don't even try, but pick the one that's most needed for you at this time. So now that you've chosen the one that you want to work on now, here's the question. Why do you think you're aware of this now? Why do you think it is in the forefront of your mind that you need to work on this particular thing at this time? If you chose environment, maybe you chose your physical environment and you were thinking, I've been meaning to get around to clearing out some things for a while, but after I read what the book said about that mental chaos being manifest in my physical space, I think this is a good place for me to start. Maybe that's what it was. I don't know which one you chose. But if you chose that one, then you see where I'm going now. You can figure out, well, why now? I just gave you an option. But whichever one you chose it for a reason. It came to the forefront of your mind for a reason. And so let's examine that. Let's reflect. It's very important that we're looking back, that we're figuring out what and why and how. Because you have all the answers you need. They're inside of you. Remember, He gave us everything that we need that pertains to life and godliness. That means even the answers, you have them. But it's going to take some reflecting. And so for the next 6 mile markers after this, we're going to be reflecting. I'm going to ask questions. You're going to give answers. I suggest you get a good little journal and you start writing stuff down in that journal, right? Because when you write things down, when you journal, you can see a little more clearly. I like to say, and I do this, hashtag journaling brings clarity. When you write it out and you go back to it, then you can kind of see what you were thinking at that time, how you processed it, or when you glossed over it, all of that. So you want to get a good journal and you want to write them down. So mile marker number 1 on Reflection Highway is, why do you think you are aware of this issue now? That's it. That's all. Answer the question. Come back tomorrow and we'll do a little more reflecting. Talk to you then. Bye for now.